Welcome back, video watchers. Michael here with another short episode of the Rolling Man Cave. Here I'm going to show you how I put together the Proyama chainsaw that came with a 20-inch bar and a 24-inch bar. I plan on using the 20-inch bar to cut down the small trees I've got on my property, and then I'm going to save the 24-inch for my new chainsaw mill that I just purchased. I'll be doing a video on that coming up shortly as well. So here I'll show you what comes with it, the 20-inch bar and then also the 24-inch. Pictured here in the chain. Even throw on a set of gloves, which really came in handy for putting it together. Make sure you got the chain facing the right way. And then here's some of the parts and tools that'll come with the kit as well. First thing you're going to want to install is this kind of guard, or teeth I call them. It's just two screws that you install on the side of the chainsaw up in the front portion of it. The next thing you're going to want to install is this little paper or cardboard gasket. It only goes on one way and just slips over those bolts. So that was pretty easy to do. Here's a better look at it with the chain out of the way. The next item is to install the chain bar. And this is just basically placing the bar over those two bolts and also fitting it behind that little round clutch on the left, and then wrapping the chain around it. They do tell you to put the chain on the bar before you try and install it, and that didn't work too well for me. This worked really easily for me, so this is what I did anyway. Next up is installing the chain guard with the built-in tensioner and chain brake. And this simply goes over the top of the clutch and the chain and secures with two bolts. You do want to make sure that that chain tensioner is going to line up with that bottom hole before you bolt it on. And here you can see the chain guard is installed. The two bolts are on there. And if you look down at the bottom, you can see that little hole where you place the screwdriver in to tighten the chain on the chain bar. I'll end the video showing a couple of accessories that come with it, the ear protection and the face shield. I purchased a separate helmet with a built-in face shield and also has built-in ear protection, and it works really well. I'll do a video on that one as well. If you would, folks, please hit the like and subscribe button. I guess that helps out with the algorithms that put the videos out in front of the other people that may be interested in watching them. I also have a Patreon channel. I'll leave the link to that below. That's mainly for folks that want to chat privately about something on my channels. And I also have a program for folks who suffer from obesity issues, so they can tune into that and get videos for that as well. Thanks again, folks, and have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.